Well, it's April 1st, the day before opening day here in Louisiana. Out here trying to roost some birds. Been out here, we were out here Tuesday. It was real thick, cloudy, and just sticky. But the birds were absolutely on fire. This morning, only one bird was on fire. But today alone, I've now seen 17 turkeys today, which here in Louisiana is a very good, positive thing. We saw, I don't know, saw 2 strutters, 7 hens and 2 jakes in this cutover strutting. They were there this morning. I guess they just fed into the woods and came back out here before the roost. And on the way in, we saw 2 more jakes by themselves, and we just had a gobbler walk out on this pipeline. We watched him for about 10 minutes feeding, and he finally fed off in the woods. So I'm gonna ease down here. Well, I tried to shag around this road and head back towards that. There's a road that cuts back, and that bird had to have been, heck, I don't know, he was well over 800 yards away, I feel like, but no telling. But he wouldn't gobble again. He gobbled about 6 times before I turned the camera on. Then I heard him twice. Then I turned the camera on. He gobbled. Turned the camera off. Hooted again. He gobbled again. So he gobbled about 10 times. But I could not get a good pin on him. So I guess I'll see what Dylan found. He went there to watch those strutters, see where they went. So I guess we'll figure out what we're gonna do whenever he pulls up. But I'm gonna get up here and listen some more. See y'all in the morning. You're looking. They're walking that tree line. Just be looking real hard where you're looking at right now. good, okay? Because I can't see a whole lot.
I can't see much either.
All I can see is his head. Don't be scared to shoot through some of that. Huh?
It's so thick I can't see him. He's just walking to the right. Yeah.
It has a really red head.
Yeah.
You can kill it.
I can't see it. It's there for a second and
There it is. There it is.
Where?
If you don't shoot him, I'm going to.
Where?
30 yards right there. See those clump of white oaks right there? Just wait. You'll see it. Right there. See him? And he's in strut. See him? There, shoot him.
I can't see his head.
Got him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Hurry up. Pick him up by his head. By his head, pick him up.
He ain't got no beard.
Yeah, he does.
Wait, he got a beard, but
First turkey don't matter.
huh?
He got a big old head.
I told you it was red.
Well, Dylan killed his first bird this morning. And I didn't get the camera on the bird. I realized I was to the right of him. I'm fairly certain, but whatever. We got set up on some birds this morning. It's 3 long bears, a Jake, and some hens, but unfortunately they flew down and went yonder way. So we ain't had time to kind of sit down and relax and enjoy it, but so we're about to do it now. He don't really talk much.
Nope.
But guy's first bird, opening day, Louisiana, 2021. Hopefully one day that'll get a little bit less awkward.